Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel One Step, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log out from your Roblox account on your PC and on your Android and on your iOS. So basically the first step I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log out on your PC, then on your iOS device and then on your Android device. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's move on. First step, for your PC, your Roblox app is going to look like this. Once you want to log out, you can click on the setting icon and click on logout and click on logout, and you have successfully logged out from your Roblox account on your PC. Now let me switch to iOS. So for iOS device, it's also simple to log out from your Roblox account. So this is basically my iOS device over here. As you guys can see, the app store over here. So basically I'm gonna go into my Roblox account over here. To log out, you can click on the three dot at the bottom right corner of your screen, scroll all the way down, and there's going to be a logout button. You need to click on logout over here and click on logout to confirm it, and you have successfully logged out from your Roblox account in iOS. Now let's move to Android. Alright, so this is basically my Android device over here. I'm using a tablet right now. As you guys can see, I can just go back over here, and basically this is it. So I'm gonna open my Roblox again. So once you're in your Roblox account on your Android device, in order to log out, it's simple as that. Like just as I showed you in iOS, the steps are similar over here. Click on the three dot at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the three dot, scroll all the way down. There's going to be a logout button over here as well. And then click on it and click on logout again to confirm it. And basically you just logged out from your Roblox account on your Android as well. So these are the three ways on how you guys can log out from your Android on PC, iOS, and Android. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. See you guys in a bit. Bye bye.